Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we have a much anticipated review of the Olaplex Complete Hair Repair System Kit. If you're looking for a way to strengthen, repair, and hydrate your hair while controlling frizz, this might be just what you need. The kit includes number 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, each designed to target hair issues at different levels. Let's dive into the details and see how it performs. Olaplex is known for its bond-building technology that works on a molecular level to repair and strengthen damaged hair. The system claims to rebuild broken bonds in the hair caused by heat, chemical treatments, and everyday wear and tear. This set is designed for all hair types, particularly those with damaged hair that need some extra TLC. The kit includes the following products: number 0 Intensive Bond Building Treatment, designed as the first step to prime hair for the rest of the treatment. Number 3 Hair Perfector, used for deeper repair and maintenance at home. Number 4 and 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. These are formulated to hydrate and nourish hair while keeping it strong. Number 6 Bond Smoother, a leave-in styling cream that reduces frizz and adds shine. Number 7 Bonding Oil. Lightweight, it provides added shine and heat protection. Now, let's talk about how this kit performed in real-world testing. I've been using this system for a couple of weeks, and I can tell you that incorporating it into my routine wasn't complicated. The first step, number 0, is applied to dry hair before wetting it, which is a unique part of the process. I left it on for about 10 minutes, then followed up with number 3, letting it sit for another 10 to 30 minutes as instructed. The shampoo and conditioner combo, number 4 and 5, was super hydrating, and I noticed my hair felt stronger after rinsing. After towel drying, I applied number 6 to damp hair to help smooth and control frizz, followed by a few drops of the number 7 oil for extra shine. I was genuinely impressed with the overall smoothness and shine my hair had after using the kit. It really did feel healthier, with much less frizz than usual. My hair is quite prone to damage, so seeing it bounce back after just a few uses felt like a win. There are some areas to consider though. The products do come with a hefty price tag. While they offer noticeable improvements in hair health, it's definitely an investment. For those with more budget-conscious needs, this might not be an everyday solution, but if you're dealing with significant damage or color-treated hair, the results might justify the cost. Pros: the bond-building technology is solid and helps restore hair strength. Frizz control is impressive. My hair looked smooth without being weighed down. A good mix of products for pre-shampoo, in-shower, and styling. Cons: the price might be a barrier for some. Not all steps are essential for everyone. The oil and leave-in styling cream might be extra for people with fine hair. The multi-step process might be a bit time-consuming for those on the go. As for value, you're definitely getting what you pay for if you're looking to repair significant damage. The technology behind these products is high-end, and it's evident in the results. But if you're just after a quick frizz fix, there are more affordable options. Comparing this system to similar offerings, I'd say Olaplex holds its own. Other bond repairing systems might work, but Olaplex has consistently been praised for its scientific approach to repairing hair on a molecular level. That's a big deal in the hair care industry, and it's something that's harder to find in other brands at this price point. Build quality is top-notch. Each product has sturdy packaging, and the bottles are easy to use, which is a small but important detail for a system like this. As for longevity, I noticed visible results within a few weeks, and the products seem to last a decent amount of time with regular use. I didn't have to reach out to customer service, but Olaplex generally has a good reputation for responding to inquiries and addressing issues swiftly. So if you ever need assistance, you can count on them. If you're looking for more affordable alternatives, there are some good products in the market like the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate, which also targets damaged hair with a focus on strengthening. Another option could be the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5, which offers damage repair and frizz control at a fraction of the price. To wrap up, if you're struggling with severely damaged hair and need a solution that goes beyond surface-level fixes, the Olaplex Complete Hair Repair System Kit is an investment that delivers. It works exceptionally well for those with chemically treated or heavily damaged hair, and the results are visible and long-lasting. However, if you're just looking for everyday hydration and frizz control without the heavy-duty repair, there are more budget-friendly options to explore. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.